simplicity, and it just f***ing works is the resume of this Telesin Smart Tracking Pan Tilt review. Do you have a gimbal and never use it? Well, me too. 99% of the gimbals are dedicated to smartphones or dedicated to GoPros. Not this thing. This thing is whatever you put on it. One button to turn it on by long pressing and short press to activate the tracking. Boom, simple. So let's get serious and test this little thing. The remote control is very simple to use and very small. The first button is just to turn on or off the tracking feature, indicated by the white light in the motor. And you have the arrows to right or left, just to rotate the Telesin module right or left. On top and bottom, you have a 360 rotation to the right or to the left. And in the middle is just a stop button. This remote control is a magical thing, so I can press to show that I am filming this with you guys, like so. There is a beautiful scenery over there of the sea and the clouds. So let's make a 360 by pressing the button. How cool is that? And remember, I'm doing this while attach a light and a radio receiver mic. Try that on a gimbal. Let's activate tracking. So the flyer said that the best is between 1 meter to 5 meters. So let me just walk around. Yeah, it's following me. It's a little bit janky, to be honest. But it's tracking me well. I think that the image stabilization from the pixel will smooth everything out perfectly. Let's turn the image stabilization off and let's see what we're gonna get. Oh, it's a little bit jiggery. Way too fast. And as it doesn't have any app control, I cannot control the speed, so you only have one speed. Let's activate the motion tracking. Okay. So passing between this tripod and me, there is no problem whatsoever. I guess 95% of the cases you are fine. Let's go closer than 1 meter to see what happens. Hello, little guy. It's actually tracking. Okay. Ah, it lost me. Okay. No, come on. Up. There you go. Now, if it lost me, can I rotate while using the joystick? Look at me, look at me. Oh yes, it picked me up. How nice is that? Last test. It's see how it tracks in a dark setting, okay? Okay. Is tracking me pretty damn well. It's struggling a little bit. It's not tracking me anymore. It's not perfect. For example, you can adjust the tracking sensor by moving the lens, but it just doesn't look right. Half a kilo is the limit, but the weight limit is not a big problem as it seems to be. Probably the most powerful smartphone gimbal is around 300 grams. And if you try to attach a light microphone, it will unbalance the gimbal. Yeah, it won't work. This thing, during this video review, I always attach a light radio microphone just to unbalance itself, and it still works perfectly. Yes, it only does one thing, but it does it really well. Also the price. This is way cheaper than a gimbal, come on. And then there is the tilt. The motor isn't powerful enough for half a kilo of tilt, especially if it's not balanced. So keep it light, and the center weight is my advice, like a GoPro. In conclusion, if you have a gimbal and never use it because it's a hassle just to put it on and make it work properly, this is a tool for you. Just plug and create content or make things or FaceTime with no problems, no hassles.